PureVPN versus Hide. VPN, best for streaming enthusiasts versus best free VPN. Both promise to meet specific needs, but which one really delivers? Whether you're looking to binge watch your favorite content or trying to get a quality VPN at no cost, you're in the right place. But stick around, because I'll reveal an alternative at the end that could actually be better for your needs, and it's not one of the ones you'd expect. Let's start with PureVPN, which has long been marketed as the best VPN for streaming. They offer a solid selection of servers in over 90 countries, which is a big plus for anyone wanting to access region-locked content. Netflix, BBC iPlayer, Amazon Prime, you name it, PureVPN has the servers optimized for these services. And while it's fast and reliable for most, the real benefit here is its dedicated streaming mode, designed to boost performance and unblock geo-restricted content. But here's the catch: while it's great for streaming, their pricing can be on the high side, and their user interface isn't as polished as some other options, making it harder for beginners to navigate. Now let's talk about Hide, VPN, which is often hailed as the best free VPN option. It does offer a free plan that gives you access to 10 gigabytes of data per month, which is quite generous compared to most free VPNs. It also doesn't have a strict no-logs policy, which is a big plus for privacy enthusiasts. But, and this is a big but, Hide, Me's free version limits your speed and access to only a handful of server locations. If you're in a country where those servers aren't ideal, you're basically stuck with slow speeds and limited streaming access. Plus, while it's great as a free option, Hide, Me's paid version still doesn't stack up to PureVPN when it comes to streaming quality and features. Next thing, both VPNs offer solid security protocols, but PureVPN goes a step further with its advanced split tunneling feature. This lets you route certain apps through the VPN and leave others unaffected, ideal for streaming while keeping your regular browsing speed intact. On the other hand, Hide, Me is more of a set-it-and-forget-it solution, with less customization available for users who want more control over their connection. The fourth thing you'll want to consider is device compatibility. PureVPN supports a wide range of devices and platforms, including routers, gaming consoles, and smart TVs. That's a big win for streaming enthusiasts who want a seamless experience across all their devices. Hide.me, on the other hand, supports fewer platforms, especially when compared to PureVPN. If you're looking for an all-encompassing solution, this could be a deal-breaker for you. So, which one's best for your specific goal? PureVPN is a strong choice for streaming enthusiasts who want reliability, performance, and the ability to unlock content from multiple regions. But if you're just looking for a solid, free VPN and aren't overly concerned about speeds or extra features, Hide, VPN could work, but it's limited in several areas. Now, the truth is, both of these options are solid, but neither is perfect for the specific needs in this video title. After trying all of them myself, I found a better alternative for those of you who want the best of both worlds, streaming without paying a premium and having a free plan that actually works. Check out the first link in the description for exclusive access to a free trial of a VPN that I believe will work way better for your streaming needs. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial available, along with some exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. If you're serious about enjoying your content without limitations, give it a try and see for yourself.